There's a whole heap of tasks and a whole heap of things that we do, like compiling reports and sending off this and calculating that. They're all things that, if we could automate it, would let you get more estimates done, let you get more customers in the door, or let you go kick the footy with your kids, something like that. That's what we're all trying to do. Hopefully, little bits of tonight will get you one step closer to that.
One of the most frequent questions I've been asked by leaders and managers in the last 15 years of doing leadership work, business improvement, wherever people are involved, is how do I motivate my team? How do I motivate Johnny?
Hopefully, you got some value. Thank you so much for coming along, and I hope to hear from you or see you at the next one in the future.